Nestled amidst the bustling metropolis of Kolkata lies a fragile ecosystem that embodies both beauty and peril. The Kolkata wetlands, stretching across vast expanses of East Kolkata, are not merely a geographical feature but a lifeline for millions. Yet these wetlands face an existential crisis threatened by rapid urbanization and environmental degradation.
Kidney of Kolkata is at stake at this moment unless we take immediate serious measures to rectify man-made defects.
We are losing our lungs, the wetlands. It becomes a climate threat for our next generation. The issue becomes a crisis, and we portray it as wetlands of Kolkata. Under climate threat, the East Kolkata wetlands are precious natural assets of the city of Kolkata, as they extend numerous ecosystem services to it, along with carbon sequestration, flood control, and providing a unique climate conducive to culture bridge and vegetable farming. The wetlands also serve as Kolkata's natural wastewater treatment mechanism.
इन्वायरमेंट तो बढ़िया है, लेकिन आदमी की सोच यहाँ बहुत ही गंदगी जैसी है। आके खाना खाते हैं, कितनी बढ़िया जगह है, वहीं पे पानी वाटर बॉडी में फेंकते हैं, गंदगी करते हैं। तो अपने इतनी अच्छी प्लेस है, सब आके एंजॉय करें, मेंटेन करें, तो दैट इज़ मेरे हिसाब से बेटर है।
The wetlands, which serve as a natural sewage treatment system, flood defense, and source of food for the city's residents, are under threat from construction projects despite being protected by law. Hundreds of buildings are being constructed in the area, posing a significant risk to the ecological balance and livelihoods of local communities.
Because for urbanization, the building promoters, they are capturing the wetlands to develop the land for the building. Now, illegally, they are filling the wetlands and they are constructing the houses. This is not at all good for the environment, and this is dangerous for the building also.
Yes, sir. The wetlands also serve as Kolkata's natural wastewater treatment mechanism, as we all are aware from the urban development throughout our city of joy. But the thing is that all the wetlands are getting closed and making buildings upon them, as it impacts is very worse, as like collapsing of building after 3 or 4 years of construction. At Metiapruch, when an under construction building collapsed and hundreds of people died, it was very worse feeling for them who lost their fathers, mothers, and loved ones. Nowadays, we are facing waterlogging at many places after a few rainfall. It is also happening due to the blockness of wetlands. We are closing the natural ways by which the rainwater is get flows and meet.
This East Kolkata wetland got Ramsar's Convention status in 2002, and it is the third in our country. First one is Chilka, second one is another, and third one is this one. So it covers 125 square kilometer area, and it is considered as kidney of Kolkata, and the main speciality in the whole world of this particular wetland is actually naturally formed, and this biodegradation takes place automatically, and the Kolkata sewage load is getting digested without spending a single penny from either by government or by any local persons. So those are the main speciality of Kolkata wetland.
The body wetlands are the natural way to maintain the sewage of our city and keep the environment clean. But the human beings are not thinking even about this also by continuous losing of wetlands, making the air and environment dirty and filth, which is harmful for today and tomorrow also. One thing is more here that our future generation is coming and what they will face the problem. It is the question that they will get the water for drinking, they will get the pure water or not. Everyone is telling save water, but they are not working upon them. So the next generation will face so many problems like crisis of pure water and green environment. Of the environment, it is our responsibility to advocate for the protection of the East Kolkata wetlands and ensure that they remain intact for generations to come. By raising awareness, mobilizing communities and holding accountable those who seek to exploit this natural treasure for short-term gain, we can work together to secure brighter and more sustainable future for Kolkata and its inhabitants. Let us act now before it's too late to preserve the city of joy and its precious wetlands for all who call it home.
এটা থাকার জন্য আমাদের ল্যান্ড এখনও ড্রাই হয়ে যাচ্ছে না, আমরা জল পাই ল্যান্ডের থেকে, আমাদের জলের যে সমস্যা সেটা হচ্ছে না। প্লাস এইখানের অ্যাটমসফিয়ার অনেক বেশি ঠান্ডা থাকে, কুল থাকে ওয়াটার বডিদের জন্য। দিস আর দ্য অ্যাডভান্টেজ দ্যাট উই ক্যান হ্যাভ।
Site number 121. We have international treaty agreement in Iran, Ramsar, in the year 2002, and as per the agreement, we cannot construct the building there. So we have to protect the East Kolkata wetland. For that, we have appointed East Kolkata Wetland Management Authority. They are looking after the Ikeda. But unfortunately, we are finding 30% area has been captured by promoters and developers, and they are constructing the buildings. This is bad for our environment.
These documentary Drowning Beauty uncover these stories, resilience, conservation efforts and the urgent need for sustainable practices to safeguard these invaluable treasure for next generation to come.